Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll try to fix the 4-number format issue in Excel. See here, if I give more than 11 digits, it is directly taking it as a scientific notation. How you can fix this? First of all, I'll select this column and make the column adjustment. I'm clicking on the home and clicking on the format, and I'll set it to auto fit to the column. So even though if I give more data, it will fit to the cell. Now I'll right click on the selected column and click on the format cells here, and I'll choose number format here and make the decimal places to 0. What this option does is it will give the number format, whatever the data I enter, it will just make it to numbers. But one disadvantage is there. If I give the country code something like +91 or something like that, it excludes this plus symbols or something like that. It only takes the numbers. How you can fix this? Again, select the same column or a different column, click on the format cells. Now you can choose the text here. When you choose the text, even though if you give some special symbols like +91 or +92 or something like that, it will take as it is, because this cell is a text now. Did you get my point? So yeah, in this way this text is useful, but there is directly phone number also available. When you click on the special, there is a phone number available, but this is mostly will be useful for the people from the United States. If they want to enter the phone number format, something which suits the United States, then this will be useful. So first of all, I'll clear all the contents here. Before entering the phone number, you can click on the format cells, whichever format you want, select that, and then try to enter the numbers in basing upon your requirement. So this is how you can overcome the format issues when you are entering the phone numbers. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. And see here, there is no error symbol in the printing. See here, even though when you're using text, if it is showing some error, something like this, that won't be shown in the print. Even though if you want to disable that, click on error checking and disable this one, enable background check. That's it, it will go off. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.